Okay. Chinese fire drill.
Chinese fire drill. You're right, so I hope this time I'm vlogging that the camera's not set on narrow like it was last time. You guys didn't see that.
Are you sure it wasn't? Are
Yeah,
you sure
it
it's
was.
not now?
No, it isn't, because I changed it.
Oh, there's Daniel.
That's him right there in that Chevy.
The white.
That one. We're the Casey's gang. Gang.
So it's a half day. So
Yeah.
it's like actually like lunchtime right now. So we
No,
did.
it's 1:30.
Lunchtime.
That's lunchtime.
That's way past
That's
lunchtime.
Motorboys lunchtime.
Hey, meal time is all the time.
Yeah, just say a spindle.
Rubbing on my ankle.
Wear taller socks.
Dude, when are we gonna make Motorboy socks just for us? I was about to buy
socks from?
Dude, I was about to buy Supreme socks.
Dude, it's the most money I've ever seen him.
And baked lace.
Beyblade.
Bake. Lace. Beyblade, let it rip.
Connor let me try his monster last time. I'll go.
Hey, dude, I should get a NOS. Oh, they have one, yeah.
Get a NOS.
I actually kind of want it just for the can.
$2.59. Jesus Christ. 2 for $5.50. What a fucking deal. Jesus.
You don't know. It's only like 2 for something. Okay. Yeah, me and you. I'll get one for you, Connor. There you go. Yeah, same. Why did you give me these 2 right now? I'm holding the camera. Connor, can you hold the other NOS that's in here? Please, look at me. Hi.
Hold it like a really awkward angle like this. What's he getting?
A bag? Oh, you were using your smartness right there.
Baked? Ew.
Dude, baked lays are the best.
Well, that might be hard, actually. I'm out of my bag.
There's some right back there.
I don't see any. Oh, it's back. Jeez.
No filming people without their consent. I
I'm
learned
not
that the
filming.
hard way.
I don't think you should get lettuce or tomato on your BLT.
I don't think so. It'll just be a B M. Bacon.
I've had people just get
That's what my
bacon, some cheese.
My sister does that. Bagels. Bagels? It's not exactly BLT. It's just a bacon sandwich.
Mayonnaise,
Yes.
For yours, for chicken.
Italian, provolone cheese.
Here, Wyatt, you hold this. And because I have my stuff already, so
You're gonna go pay for it?
yeah. I just need to figure out how much it is because I don't know how much money I have. Actually, I have like $15. Hey, Connor, you said maybe like
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's get those fingerprints off there. Wow. There's a lot of fingerprints on there. Let's see if I can get those off there.
That's good that you didn't want wheat. We're actually at.
Are we? No, I have 5 over there.
Oh my! Hey, you guys want to know a secret? That's my trophy. That's from 2013, but yeah, pretty neat. Here, hold this. You see how a cool kid buys this stuff?
Hello, Bill. Do you have a sandwich?
6 BLT.
You're saying go down. Oh, yeah, no.
Okay, that is God.
No. I didn't know that was there. No change. Wow. Yeah.
Bro, we're switching it up a little bit today. We got a piece of pizza.
A monster and a salad. You already know. Yep.
So today, with our pickup, we got
$7 exactly. How does that work?
Big Blaze pizza. Oh, I think we got pulled it again. Oh my god.
Every once in a while, my phone will say 3G and no service.
Is that missing out on some funny stuff back there? Dude, I wish I had the GoPro on that. Why is becoming an unhealthy boy like the rest of us?
Even though I already had a Diet Coke today. A cherry Diet Coke, actually. Wow. Which I also used my card to pay for.
Hey, your NOS is in here, by the way.
NOS? God.
That's what it's called.
I know.
Nobody cares. Today on the Motor Boys vlog, we went to Casey's.
I got salt and vinegar on a sub.
Bro, what? Oh, that actually looks super nice. Oh my god. Dude, that backlight looks sick.
Oh, it's got pictures and everything.
I know. Bro, it needs an MBR sticker right now.